REDMAGIC showcases engineering with the 11 Air, the world's thinnest gaming cell phone with built-in physical fan. Nubia has officially launched this new proposal under the REDMAGIC brand, achieving something that the truth is quite attractive because they have put an active cooling system in a body of only 85 millimeters thick, which I know is not as thin as the ultra thin of other brands, but in this case, consider that it is a cell phone focused on gaming. This device is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which works in tandem with its proprietary Red Core R chip, enhancing the gaming experience significantly. To ensure that all this power doesn't lead to overheating, the device includes a high-speed RGB fan and a 4D vapor chamber. This setup promises to deliver excellent stability in frames per second, even when playing the most demanding games. The screen is also going to be spectacular. It is an AMOLED panel of 6.85 inches with resolution. It features a refresh rate of 1.5K 144 Hz, which gamers will absolutely love. The 16 megapixel front camera is positioned below the screen, which personally I don't favor since selfies tend to look quite unattractive, especially in low light conditions like at night and during video recording. In this instance, the screen has managed to achieve a remarkable screen-to-body ratio of 95%, resulting in very thin bezels. This is possible because the camera has no cutout, allowing for greater screen utilization. The most astonishing aspect is that even though they are incredibly slim, they have also successfully included a battery with a capacity of 7,000 mAh. With the inclusion of support for 120 watts fast charging, and also the addition of support for bypass charging, which, as you might know, allows us to keep the device plugged into the charger, without the battery actually discharging, you can enjoy playing very long sessions without deteriorating the battery's lifespan. The starting price in China is around $530 for the model that comes with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. However, keep in mind that the prices here are not necessarily the same as the ones over there. Additionally, the price can rise all the way up to $631 for the version that includes 16 GB of RAM along with 512 GB of storage. Let me know if you appreciate that. REDMAGIC is also introducing a somewhat thinner Air version compared to REDMAGIC's usual models, although it still can't be classified as an ultra-thin model just yet.